couple of years ago, Google introduced a new feature aimed at improving the lifespan of the battery in its Pixel smartphones. This feature is called adaptive charging, and it was first released in an over-the-air update for what they call feature drops. It's been proven that preventing your battery from being charged to 100% can keep it from degrading its capacity as quickly. Yes, OEMs do calibrate their batteries so it doesn't actually fill it to 100%, even if it says so, but stopping the battery from charging to this level can prolong the life of your battery. Some OEMs will give you the option to stop the battery from being charged to that level, but Google takes things a bit further with its adaptive charging feature, because along with preventing the battery from being charged all the way, we can also help to improve the health of our battery by charging them at a much slower rate. So instead of having to manage with multiple chargers using multiple charging speeds, adaptive charging for Google Pixel smartphones will charge the phone at a slow, steady pace throughout the night. And this is true even if your phone is connected to a charger that is capable of really fast charging speeds. Google's adaptive charging feature can be finicky since it requires you to begin charging the phone after 9 p.m. and you have to have an alarm set on your phone for sometime between 5 and 10 in the morning. With this behavior, Google is then able to learn your charging habits so they can charge the phone slowly and steadily throughout the night. But then it will let the battery reach 100% right before your alarm is set to go off. That way, when you wake up, your phone is fully charged and you can get the most use out of your battery. This helps things a lot since you aren't having to go throughout the day with a phone that can only be used 85 or 90% as long as it's capable of. But this adaptive charging feature doesn't account for people who like to sleep in on the weekends. And it doesn't help anyone who wants to charge their phone to full at night, since this feature only allows the battery to be charged very slowly during those times. So instead of having to dig around the settings application to toggle this feature off, which can cause some people to forget to toggle it back on before Monday, Google has included a clever way to temporarily disable the adaptive charging feature. And this works by simply unplugging the charging cable for a second or two and then plugging it right back in. Android is able to detect this action and knows to quickly charge the phone like normal. This process should even work with those who use wireless charging, as they can simply lift the phone off the charging pad and then place it back down a second or two later. I know some people would just rather see Google add in a quick settings tile for fast charging their phone, and we could still see them implement something like this in the future. But it's great to see such a simple solution to a common problem that many people are having with the adaptive charging feature on their Google Pixel smartphones.